Yeah, BigGlenn.com. Yeah, here we go. Jesus, real lyricism. God, this glorifies you. Hallelujah. Yo. Yo, I'm here to cure the burn like fast acting and acting when rapping. It's like what happened. I'm blacking on tracks and I'm snapping. I'm crazy and amazed on how sinner enslaved to the grave. I prayed I'm a slave to the grace for me that he made. I'm on the grind while people are on Facebook posting their garbage. You under collabs in a year. Get at me if you're an artist. I'm humble, not cocky, or even saying I'm my hardest. I'm just planting seed on the sideline waiting on the harvest. I'm on the ride for God and Jesus. He makes like a harness. I'm giving them the whole plate is taking y'all are just the garnish. Jesus is love, not Cupid, that's stupid. I'm lucid with music, I just lose it, don't abuse it, continue to use it. Yo, the bacon online is corny like Satan back in our nation. You're Christian, so why you act like you hate it? Yeah, no need to rewind it. I think that you heard it right. The only rapper that you know that speaks life when he murders mics. Here we go. Freestyle flow. Here we go. Yo, Kendrick dropped his verse calling everybody in the game out. So-called Christian rappers act like they want to take the same route. I think y'all sometimes forget what we're supposed to stand for. Doing it for the money, I'm like, what you holding out your hand for? When y'all debate out in the open, trying to showcase your knowledge, we're not sitting back wondering where y'all went to college. That could be a major stumbling block for the non-believer. I'm praying for you that you don't get played by the deceiver. I plan to live up to the height of the light when I write. Y'all rap, but more than half ain't even nice with a mic, and that's real. Yo, for real, I'm like a gun that you cannot conceal, but I'm doing this for the Lord to give you a spiritual appeal. Yo, I'm killing, doing this stuff with light. This is how I am right now because I always murder mics, but I'm doing it with light. And if I'm doing it with life, I'm doing it with Christ. And if I'm doing it with Christ, I'm doing it right. This is how I am right now, and I'm not trying to get you hyped. I'm not trying to start a fight. I'm trying to give you the truth. Y'all all are the whole reason that I'm always in the booth. Big Glenn God Soldier. Yeah, Jesus.